good day. It's a good day to have a good day.
Hi, this is the first of many Steve Dog public information videos. That's right, this is a Steve Dog public information video. Many times people ask me, what is the world? It seems really appropriate that we're discussing this because today the Rugby World Cup was on. What is the world? Well, first of all, it's somewhere we all live. You and I. And the one big question that just keeps on coming up, the one that you probably couldn't sleep about last night, you were worrying, is how do the tides of this world work? What the hell are the tides? Well, the tides are water in the sea that gets pulled around a bit. Okay, now I'm going to talk very technical, but I'm going to bring it down a level, just like that. Just a level, just so you can understand. I can understand way more than I say, but you guys can't. But you will be able to soon. Here we go. Right, first up, what is the world? That is the world. This is not actual size. This is a scaled model. What happens? How the hell do tides work? Well, imagine this. In the round, imagine the white is the sea and the black bits on this fluffy football are all the islands. They're all the land. So as you can see, mostly the world is covered in sea. Okay, that's water, saline of nature. Right, okay, so the world spins on an axis, like that. Spins on an axis. North Pole, South Pole. It's not a pole going through the middle, but it spins on that axis and it goes around the sun. I haven't got a prop for the sun, but imagine my head. You probably noticed it went around a very slightly elliptical way, and it took, on a scaled basis, about a year to go around the sun, other than a few minutes. Okay, so this puppy's spinning around. Great, Steve, I hear you say. That's told me so much, and I'm already more informed, because up until now I thought the world was flat, but now I know it's round. It's actually spherical, pretty much anyway. So how the hell do the tides get affected? Here comes our friend. That's the moon. The moon isn't strictly like that, but it's an illustrative thing, right? The moon is smaller than the world. Quite a bit smaller, actually. Trying to find more appropriate prop. I've got no more appropriate prop. Right, that there will go around and around the world. That's right. It orbits the Earth, okay? Now, when this puppy's got gravity, this puppy's got gravity, this puppy's got more gravity, this puppy's got less gravity. Imagine this. The gravity from the moon pulls all of the water from all the world a little bit this way. Hello, that gives a high tide. So when I'm on this side of the world, hello, all the water is this side, we've got a high tide. Hello, this guy's on this side of the world, all the water's been pulled around, tide's gone out. Hang on a minute, but I get 2 tides a day. I hear you ask. Yes, you do, because actually this takes a day to go around the world, in a nutshell. But the world is spinning and creates what I call, what we all call, a centrifugal force. Centrifugal force. See that centrifugal force on that bit there? The centrifugal force. So what it's doing, it's pulling water away all the time. But of course, what's happening on this side, it's being pulled out because of the gravity of the moon. On here, it's furthest from the moon, no gravity. It's getting pulled out that side as well. So you've got water getting pulled out this side due to the moon's gravitational pull that way. You've got water being put out this side due to the rotation of the Earth, creating that centrifugal force. Yes, you were listening. That pulls it out this side. So you get a tide this side on the centrifugal, this side on the moon. That is, in a nutshell, the way it works. If any of you got any problems with that, just remember, don't put your windbreaks on the beach when the tide's coming in. And remember to tune in next time for maybe a more informative Steve Dog public information video. And we'll just show you one last trick now with my eyes. What's this? One's going to go up, one's going to go down at the same time. Here we go. I don't know if that worked because I couldn't see because I was looking up and down. Secondly, can you do this? Can you wiggle your ears? See, I can. That's because the world spins around. See you next time for a Steve Dog video. Public Information Service is the first one. Catch you soon.